Check it out, boys. Lesson, pal. Doing a little Versetta stone detail here there, Bubski. Rarely seen, likely undone. Don't care, pal. Gonna do a Phat Dawg, a PH Phat Dawg, pal. F&J around here. This is a Phat Dawg F&J, boys. 1 3/4 F&Js with an 1 5/8 face. That's where our Versetta is going to tie in. 3/4 inch J tucked up the back for the board and batten. She's going to be cleaner than Mr. Clean's forehead, pal. Only got to make 4 of these for the whole job, so I'm not afraid to take my time here, do these measurements as I go along, make sure I got it how I want it. Yeah, no playing around, pal. We'll start by putting our 5/8 hem on it. We use our break as a table here and lay out our next 2 bends. The next 2 bends will be this 1 3/4 and 1 5/8. Add those 2 together, 3 3/8. Go 90, pop that, pull it back for our next line. We'll go 90 again, back up for our next mark. So we'll do our 2.5 off the top. And then instead of doing the math to add up for this next one, I know it's 1 3/4 off this bottom. So instead of playing around, I'll just flip it. Quick spin. Pop it in for that 2.5. This is a full hem. It's going to give us that nailing flame. Drop our piece back in. You give us that last 90. Force this one a bit. Pop. Bam. There you have it, pal. Got a Phat Dawg F&J. So this rides up the wall. Our stone will come in here. Board and batten siding in the back. We're going with this Westlake Royal board and batten vinyl siding. The color's Harvard Slate. Pairs beautifully with that mountain ash ledger stone profile Versetta, pal. Still going to be a couple weeks till I actually get my stone. I just got my hands on a couple pieces so we could do the layout. You can see we got the Versetta stone slid into that Phat Dawg J. We got our vinyl tucked into that other J and behind, pal. Beautiful inside corner, Bubski. Tighter than a turtle's tickle trunk, pal. Carry on.